Hi everyone, great news. We got all the documentation we need for week 2's assignments. So once I get this video recorded, I will upload it to Canvas and I will also send you an email link as well. So here we go. I'll show you how to get all the assignments completed. So you just click on the second one here, the one that's titled Week 2 Information Update, and then you click on the link there. Okay, in the previous video, I went over all the topics, the essential questions, and the objectives, as well as the agenda. Now, these are the assignments you're going to be doing right in here. The professional writing 1, number sense presentation, and then the three reflections. So let me go ahead and explain how you get up to all that information. So the number 1 portion is to pick up the materials from your site, and please let me know if you have any concerns about getting that or any problems. I want to help you for sure. The next information, it says print counting student work. So it says check the in-class documents folder with the Files tab in Canvas. So click back here. You notice this set was not here before the Files portion. So we got the Files portion. And then the next thing that you need to do is to click right on the class documents link. And then that should bring up Counting Students Work PDF. And you just click right on there. And that should upload that right away. And it should be it should look very similar to this, or it should be this. So that's how you get to that document. Okay, we'll go ahead and go back. So we talked about counting student work. Okay, the next portion is knowing mathematics for teaching, and that's the Files tab in Canvas. So we go right back here and we search Files, and we just type in know. That should be enough information, and it's knowing mathematics for teaching. Okay, and that's just a very short document that you need to take a look at. Okay. Then next information right here is this professional writing. Okay, what I did for that, you click back in Canvas and you go to assignments. You search professional writing, comes up, and you click on here. Okay, this link right here is the link for the actual assignment. That's a download. Okay, and that came up. And this provides you with your situation, what you're going to be doing. You're going to be writing a letter. And in this letter, you need to help this Miss X teacher, help her with some professional development or help her get some ideas, that type of thing. So you need to suggest a strategy to help her investigate this concern that she has. Okay, and then the next thing, this is some things you might want to consider when composing your letter. And then it states on the bottom how it will be evaluated. Okay, so then let's go back. That explains that assignment. And then these 3 that are listed as video, those are all reflections. So if we click back in Canvas and you go to assignments, I headed them a little bit differently, so they should all come up under one click if you just start typing in reflection. These are those 3 reflections: the kindergarten rec and recs, the using open-ended questions, and then the best practices. Okay, so that's that portion. And then this next one is read fluency without fear. You go back into the files portion. Oops. And I clicked on the wrong one. So let's try it again. You go on the files portion. And in the search for files, you just start typing in fluency. And there's fluency without fear. And this, I think, is going to be a really great topic that we're going to really do some discussion on when it comes to Thursday. It's all about math facts, and we had this, the beginnings of a discussion on last Thursday about the memorization. Do you feel students should have to memorize things? So I think this is going to be a very good topic. So that's that portion. Okay, and then the number sense presentations. Excuse me. There's the directions and which person is going to be doing which topic. So I'll show you how to get to the number sense folder file. And if you look in the Files tab, we're still in the Files tab. You just click on Number Sense. And there's the big ideas. They gave me 2 reference sheets, and to me they look exactly alike. So I would just click on the first one, and it gives you just like a brief introduction to this, like the cardinality, the counting on, you see, subitizing, that information. If you want to use something else, if you feel, for a topic for your presentation, please do so. Please do so. Okay, so that is that. And then we're going to be doing the chapter 2 information, and then in class work we'll talk about chapters 2 and chapters 3, and you're becoming the math teacher you wish you had. So thank you so much for being patient with the situation that we've been presented, and I cannot wait to look forward to our discussions on Thursday. And I will be back home and ready to go Monday night for any type of office hours. And let me show you the office hours link just in case you had not seen that. You click on the modules portion, and it's right below there in office hours. So I will be able to have that available for you. I am not working in school Monday because it's a holiday, but I would like to tell you that we will be on the road traveling just a little bit. So if you do need to get a hold of me during the day, please go ahead and text me. And we might be out on the water. I'm going to try my hand at kayaking. So if I don't answer, it's because I was afraid to take my phone out into the kayak. But I promise I will get back to you. So looking forward to our next class.